Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your headphones Philips. When you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone or another device. You can use controls at your headphones. All controls we have at the right ear cup. With these controls you can play or pause the song, you can play next or previous track, you can call voice assistant, you can lower volume or increase the volume. If you don't know how to use all your controls, this channel will have video how to use it, so you can check it. Okay, next. These headphones have an application, but without application we can also do something. Firstly, we can turn off and turn on game mode. So if you play games, you will like it, but I don't recommend it to use this mode all the time, because with the game mode you may have connection instability. How to enable game mode? So you need to find your power button, located again at the right ear cup, and press 2 times when your headphones connected with the phone. 1, 2, you will hear tone prompt, and we just enable it. 1, 2, and you will disable game mode. Also, we have bass boost. And to enable or disable bass boost, you need to find play pause button and press again 2 times. You will hear the same prompt when it turn on or turn off. 1, 2, we just enable bass boost. 1, 2, and we disable bass boost. Next, I tested the microphone for these headphones, and I'm not expecting that, but this microphone is pretty good. I hear myself clearly when I spoke softly or normally, without background sounds. Also, I play some background sounds, and this microphone muted, not fully, so you will hear it a bit, just a bit, but I think it's a good one. If you have some trouble with your headphones, you can easily perform a factory reset and you can fix a lot of troubles with your headset. And these headphones, it's pretty easy. All you need to do is just press and hold simultaneously volume up and volume down buttons until you will see that the LED light near to the power button right here start blinking blue, and then you need to reconnect them with the phone. If you still don't know how to perform a factory reset, you can check also a video at this channel. We have it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.